How to make a French Martini. G'day there drinking buddies, it's Scotty Boxa here again for DrinkLab.org, your home to thousands of free cocktail recipes just like this one, the French Martini, made with everyone's favourite, a little bit of Chambord. And this is how to make it. For this you'll need 1.5 ounces of vodka, half an ounce of Raspberry Liqueur, and 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. In a cocktail shaker with ice, pour in your vodka, pineapple juice, and raspberry liqueur. Give that a shake, and strain into your martini glass. And there you have it, the French Martini. Now, if you're after some cocktail shakers, glasses, shot glasses, martini glasses, you name it, head on over to the DrinkLab store and you will find them there at a bargain price. Now, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more cocktail recipes just like this one, and I will see you next time. Go out and enjoy yourself, don't destroy yourself. Cheers and see you next time.